What if your 4th of July celebration didn't just sparkle in the sky, but all across your home, backyard, and party table too? Have you ever wanted your patriotic party to feel festive and fresh without relying on the same tired flags and paper plates? This year, let's go beyond basic. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a rooftop bash, or a cozy gathering with family, we're diving into 4th of July decor ideas that are bold, creative, and full of red, white, and wow.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is decorating important for the 4th of July celebration? Decor sets the mood before the first firework even lights the sky. It turns an ordinary get-together into an unforgettable experience. It creates a festive atmosphere. Patriotic colors, lighting, and themed accents instantly get guests in the spirit. It makes your space photo-worthy. Great decor means great pictures, and memories that last long after the last sparkler goes out. It shows effort and appreciation for the holiday. Celebrating Independence Day with thoughtful touches honors its meaning and history. If you're excited to elevate your holiday setup this year, give this video a like and share it with your fellow party planners. What are some must-have colors and symbols to use in 4th of July decorations? Sticking to traditional, patriotic visuals helps unify your theme and create that unmistakable American celebration vibe. Red, white, and blue are the stars of the show. Use them across tableware, textiles, flowers, and lighting for full impact. Incorporate stars, stripes, and the American flag to instantly tie your decor to the day's theme. Don't forget symbols of freedom like bald eagles, fireworks, or even historic calligraphy or Liberty Bells in printed decor. Let us know in the comments. Do you go classic patriotic, or do you like to mix in modern twists? How can you create a stunning patriotic table setup? Your table is often the heart of the celebration. It's where guests gather, eat, and laugh. Make it pop. Use bold runners or tablecloths in solid patriotic shades, or festive patterns like stars and plaid. Add height with layered centerpieces. Think lanterns, mini American flags, or jars of red and white flowers with blue ribbons. Use place settings that sparkle, patriotic plates, striped napkins, and maybe even firecracker-themed name cards. Want more table styling ideas like these? Check the playlist linked in the description. What outdoor ideas work best for 4th of July celebrations? Outdoor parties need decor that looks great in natural light and stands up to weather, while still delivering big on theme. Hang bunting and fabric garlands along fences, porches, and railings for instant festive flair. Use patriotic pinwheels, flower pots, or yard stakes to decorate your lawn or walkway. Add ambiance with LED string lights, mason jar lanterns, or star-shaped glow sticks after dark. Looking to transform your outdoor space? Subscribe now so you don't miss our outdoor decor guide. How can you decorate your food and drink stations to match the 4th of July theme? Your buffet or bar area doesn't have to be just functional. It can be a patriotic centerpiece all on its own. Use tiered trays, red-blue snack baskets, or galvanized metal drink tubs labeled with festive signs. Incorporate themed straws, cups, and coasters with stars, stripes, or fireworks prints. Use chalkboards or letterboards to label drinks and dishes with fun holiday names like Stars and Stripes Sangria. We've linked more patriotic food station ideas in the description. Go check them out for extra inspiration. What are fun DIY decoration projects for the whole family? Get everyone involved with simple crafts that double as decor. It makes the holiday even more meaningful. Paint mason jars red, white, and blue, and use them as candle holders or flower vases. Make paper firework fans or pinwheels to line your table or stick into potted plants. Create a flag banner using fabric scraps, bandanas, or old t-shirts to string across walls or patios. All the DIY materials we use today are listed in the description if you want to create your own. How can lighting play a role in setting the mood for an evening 4th of July party? When the sun sets, the right lighting keeps your party glowing and gives everything that extra festive feel. Use red, white, and blue string lights draped over fences, umbrellas, or trees. Place battery-powered LED lights in mason jars or lanterns on tables and walkways. Light up your patio or backyard with star-shaped projectors or color-changing bulbs. Everything shown in this video is listed in the description below. Grab what you need to light up your space. So if you've been asking, how do I make my 4th of July party feel different this year? Now you've got the answer. It's not just about sparklers and burgers. It's about creating a space that feels alive, festive, and filled with meaning. With the right mix of tradition, creativity, and a dash of sparkle, your 4th of July decor can light up more than the sky. It can light up every smile at your celebration.